We're at the bus station in Yangon and we are off to a place called Yay?
Well,
Yay?
it's written Yi. I've heard some people pronounce it Yay, other people pronounce it Shay. So it's one of those. It's south of Myanmar anyway, isn't it? Near Thailand.
Yeah, it was only opened to tourists in 2013, so this is what they consider off the beaten track. It's 7 o'clock, so we should be leaving any minute.
It's quite a comfy bus, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it better be because we're on it for how many hours? We're leaving at 7 and we get
11
there
hours, probably.
yeah, 5 or 6 o'clock.
But it's nice, a lot of leg room, and I'm quite tall, so it's quite good. Free water, air conditioning, quite cool.
And it cost 8,500 each.
Pretty good. Well, just over £5.
Yeah.
I like it. 11 hours later. I'm not sure I'm going to like it after 11 hours. So we've come on a little day trip. We're in a village. We arrived in Yai last night, and that's our car over there. Minglaba! We're in a little village just outside of Yai. Minglaba! And the children like us. Hello! The car's cost us 25,000 for the day. And we're going on a boat trip, and we have a guy that's taking us around.
So we're at Banana Mountain and it is spectacular.
Yeah, you wait till you see the outside. This is just the inside.
So the camera's broke. The GoPro will do for now.